Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the view tab. So let's start with the first one, read mode. Now I have selected the read mode. Okay, now I will be selecting the next print layout. This is the print layout right now. If you want to select web layout, if you want to select outline. Okay, so now you can see different outlining options which are given here. Okay, it depends on you whichever you'd like to use. I personally prefer the print layout which I use generally. Immersive ladder reader focused, it helps in focused reading and editing experience that lets you adjust text size, spacing and more. And you can also listen to your text by using read aloud. Now this is a switch mode which is not available in the older versions. As you can see, the background is black in my system. This is the dark mode which I am using in my PC. Okay, page movement from side to side, or you want to go for vertical. I'm generally using the vertical option. Now if you want to view ruler, okay, this is the ruler on both the sides. If you want to use the grid lines, if you want to use, but these grid lines will not be seen when you print the document. Now if you want to use the navigation pen, this helps when you have a very large document, but it works more properly if I've used the different styles which are given in the word. Okay, now if you want to use multiple pages option, okay, if you want to zoom in, zoom out options, or you want to go for a new window, arrange or splits, switch windows, or if you have used any macros, or you want to check the documents properties which are given here. For example, protect the document, okay, restrict the access, mark as final, encrypt it with the password, whichever you would like to do. Or if you want to inspect the document, check the accessibility and check the compatibility. Check the compatibility basically helps us, okay, which features may not be available in the earlier versions of the word. Okay, now if you are using com add-ins, if you want to use them, enable them or disable them, whichever you would like to use. Okay, that's all. Thank you.